Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to install Marvel Rivals on the Xbox Series X or Xbox Series S. So all you have to do is power on your Xbox and get to this homepage. And then from here, select the store icon at the top of the screen, or you can just scroll down and find the option Browse the Store and select it. And then from here, once you get to this page, simply press the Y button on your Xbox controller, and then it will open up the search function. So from here now type in Marvel Rivals. And as you type, you'll see the game on top of the suggested results. So select it. And then from here, since I already have it, it will be written installed. If you have it, or rather if you claimed it before, it will be written installed. But if you don't have it, you simply select on get, and then this thing will turn to install, and then select install, and then you'll see the option installing. So you can select view in queue, and now you can see your game installing on your Xbox Series X. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below, and if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.